Hi, I'm Joseph Samayo, and I'm the owner of PuroClean Lansdale, along with my partners Christian Carpico and Vincent Leonetti. You're probably here because you need restoration services due to property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. We're here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. You've come to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate residential and commercial property damage. We are confident in what we do because we have proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. We treat you like family with compassion and care while still being professional. Call us at 267-834-5900 for help anytime, day or night, 24/7 to restore and rescue your property.